Ngixela le reason why bengabikho live for the longest time and it's very sensitive. Bon. Yeah. I was in ICU. Except komnye umntana izolo. Unsendele unbuzi bandiphi. I was like,
Yamazi.
Anmazi on message. Ngicela bandiphi. Ngidwayo ubuza. I send the location. Close. Cause bengilalisa session izolo and I wire phone. Go 3. Can I come to your place with my friend to visit? 3 o'clock. Email message. 3 o'clock, John. That is damn. At 3, we are phone it.
Come visit with my friends, so I make sense. Story time.
Can I come visit you with my friend? So I make sense.
More 3. Four books to the house. Back was on that beat. Book pass on that beat. I don't know. I'm excited.
Lomlala one phone in. John with 351. It's almost 4. I phone in. And I buy me phone.
Dear, my bar benefit.
I'm on 857. Today about damn at 3. What?
Look for the kake.
Yeah, the TikTok video reached 15k. Yeah, I saw it, man. Shout out to you, Brutas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You worked very hard, my nigga. So when you're in Cape Town, pull through to the stream.
Yeah.
I want you to if the video reaches 15k, it must be on stream. But Jay, namhlanje you want to say Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Sean. And there's a story time, but did you promise people? Let's get it over and done with. I'd full on the now the chat.
It's chat. First,
okay, ngicela nibe okay before siqale story time. Ngicela nibe lenient kuSean. Ninga yabona niphone. Sean, over to you, bro.
Nah, man.
Ngibabani phandle.
According.
Okay, sure.
Akhonja.
Yeah, anyway, mama.
Unomamela kahle, siqhumela. Okay,
Imaqandi, thank you chat, yabo, for like helping me find who I thought was the love of my life. So thank you and shout out to you, chat.
Yeah. Shout out to you, chat, for that one.
Yeah, so inenzekile okay. Iqale grand was I was in love like kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in love kakhulu and you need to be a grand, yabo. And then as like time went by and I about like, okay, sure, like in the calling like in like every relationship, it's kind of cool. But it was mostly about Tina not being compatible. Like basically major negative factors. There was one and then it's being in love. But been ups and downs in things.
It's gonna affect in good
like life one no work. Like now we are about out there DJ way. And then I'm the ones about with my nigga on the stream and especially Pemondi. It was the biggest argument Pemondi. Yeah, so go inenzikile iqala pha January lewe ngoku. So inenzikala pha January ngoku benise Eastern Cape. Cabani post ichom yami siyabo. So wabe ebuza bala ngubalo. Phofu khangabuza ngibalo uchilo nje ba ekusi icherry yakho lena ngathi mina no. Nabe kumnanihleka yabo. Kanti yena uyithatha to heart lo bayobhala ku Facebook ba I'm single. Beningayibonga mina yonke lonto. Utsiba WhatsApp status, utsiba i-friends zakho uyoposta ku Facebook. Cha ngibone nitheko yabona nitheko ngibona hayibo kwenzeka ntoni ngoku single. Ndibe head ngokole nayo ibase yabo sure grand and then iqale lo hlobo ke ndizomize because nami ndiloko kwenzeka ntoni ndizozikhupha kuye, and then ke ngoku after some time I like decided like nah, this is not worth it, man. This is not worth it.
Shout out my nigga Sean, man.
And this one man and this man convinced about like Tana when it's dollar, and if you don't believe me, cool. So I was like, it's time for over. It's over.
So what would you say was your biggest hurt moment in the relationship?
Yeah, like my oh.
Mna nibuzi wewe vile kulakho. Singabe niko serious.
Uzizi wonke.
Ayithi bro. Yini vile joke kumela kadiji.
The biggest hurt moment was at the end, man. Like who much umuntu xa se thank you for like like the like things that she was thankful for.
Like e.g.
like thank you for the followers, thank you for the dates. Please do not delete our pictures or videos.
Yeah.
And then like it like really got to me because I mean like okay, so you're not leyo when ubomi ngathi like it's like
so when you felt like she's using you.
Like I know Joe in a way because I feel like ebentane nami nimthanda. But then there was some point where I like felt like because also she like started sending calling or Yolanda plus nobody.
For what?
And yes, now because she like doesn't even know them like that. Man see but like, can you please talk to Sean? No. So and yes, but I was just disappointed in the last messages.
Okay, one last question.
When is the question from us?
This is a fundamental question.
Okay, buza.
Fundamental question. One fundamental question.
Yiba.
One fundamental. Afuna ukubuza yena.
Ngoba.
Buza. Zizi. One fundamental question. Imbuzo esemqoko, like the most important one.
Sean.
Serious.
Nah, but you
Sean.
Sean,
yeah.
did you smash?
Yeah.
Sean, did you smash him? You doing some convincing. Did you smash?
Yeah.
How many times? Sean.
How many Nah, to be honest.
So my lord.
No, man.
Like in relationship I felt like as a person we are cool because it was the first time seeing you in love,
yeah.
I felt like just to see that side of you, it was amazing and beautiful to watch. So he said that he had a relationship and I loved it. I won't lie, it's like what we deal with considering that was his first love.
Yeah.
It wasn't my first love.
Now you know how I felt the relationship here. Now I hated the relationship from the get-go. I'm straightforward. I hated the relationship from the get-go because I feel like they're born the way Sean as in the way to grateful for zone. I saw them from afar, then them Sean, like I understand he was in love at that time, then like as in love, because
okay, what are you seeing when?
So Tina, like the Fagu, Icheri yako ingati ku post.
But if you are
yima ndibuza
Okay.
wena in general ichela kungathi kucela post ungayiposta wena.
okay, I get you, ne? But my argument le way, ne? We cannot pretend as if us are gonna follow you. Us are like 100k
No,
on TikTok,
asiyitsho
even
fam.
before Tibane now. And we are DJ, she has motion on the ground, yaziwa. Me, ingaki mina I knew of us like when I started TikTok, when I got 100k. And no 100k yena.
ngiyacela mbizazi lawe ingakahamba
Funny uasa. Yeah,
No,
no.
we PG's very clear. Uzoyenza point yakho, ne? Counter argument eqhuba nthuli.
yeah
She was big on TikTok, even the 100k. I knew of her, uyacula, uyajive. There was a video viral yakhe ejive sports scene, I even remember. So, wayidala emotion. So leba emotion mhlambe awusose kushona. I'm not saying mhlambe andiyazi ne, but I don't think fully ebefuna emotion.
Okay, let me put it this way. Emotion and followers are two different things. You can have 1 million followers, but abantu bangakuwazi. Like not even ungakwazi, abantu bangakuyi. Yebo. So yena ngobona kwamna ebenazi followers zakhe, but bingathi zithengiyo, but kukhona bo. I know swila but kukhona she has a followers and stuff. Andifuna umbad mouth yebo. Unazi followers zakhe. Kamna for one bengamazi till Sean. Most abantu enbaziyo bebengayazi till bajole no Sean. Usikwathiwa uSean. That's why abantu bemazes uasa ka Sean. I felt like that relationship she was a leech kuyo. They gain and benga Sean, when what did you gain kuyo besides experience? There's nothing we can there's nothing he gained. She gained everything here. Like you want into motion, bookings and yes bookings wise, but I'm assuming motion, bookings, followers.
Relationship.
Like what?
She had
motion.
Like there was a moment where like I like saw a potential here, Jabo. Like now you know that can be like driving popular because the bonnet future and I'm the chilo going like this is about a breakup, but like it's like said, but like he lose he vision is not gonna be fulfilled because of the PLL. But yeah,
I'm sorry to one thing, now kwangala means asibuye umuntu, kwangala means asiya. I was always against that way, but Sean, the sooner onoyipheyisa ngayo, the better. What?
It's fine, man. But anyway, yeah,
I think we have to close the shop. The only reason I feel like say theta up or you theta up is because up. I ran that. I not in a relationship. No show one man.
Yeah, well, and then
man we chat because the chat was part of the way. I can say by teen.
Like privacy between Nana, you not ask.
Before they close the
shop. Upi like in this one, I then lose event pako. Count the loss, but pretend that event. Can you go prior like pele picture like you gonna ask. It there.
P. Lalin.
Not a line. Up and orbs.
Okay. See nigga chat ibola njani yona and then say vala. Akhona ibasithethe ke relationship apha bona because nayiqala apha iyavakala. I-chat yayikhona ngoyiqala. So nina chat, what did you guys see and so forth and so forth. We are mourning the relationship.
Peli no wait. Yeah.
Smazi ngashort and we support the bitches. Yeah, it was a learning curve. Yeah.
A big one, bro.
Learning curve.
I got a learning curve. I'm not did I call it. I'm learning curve. I put down these the door now. I didn't know I can't book relationship.
Read the room.
I was easy. Yeah.
Mr. We are Carl, I don't call it.
But you not
okay, but it's about like opinions about uyazithatha yabo azimamele because after like like we had a chat, like a huge chat ngale way, like for a while mina sincokola ngale way yabo I feel like ezinyiwe unvile kuzo yabo.
I appreciate you. Especially best boy up in more this no go the way.
You know, you don't need a broker when there is Pocket Broker. I just registered and tried. Pocket Broker is an online trading platform that offers simple trade across forex, stocks, and crypto. It's really easy and fun for beginners, and let me tell you why. Number one, it's quick start, so there's no account verification required to start trading. You just begin earning profits in just few minutes. Number two, it is a user-friendly platform because the platform itself is designed to be intuitive, so it's easy to maneuver through the app. Also easier in helping new users pick assets, set trades amount, and also place trade easily. And number three is social and copy trading. You get to copy and study how other traders are doing and sort of copy what they are doing, so it's safer to engage and trade smartly. And number four is diverse markets. You get access to many asset types, so you get access to forex, stocks, and crypto, so you can explore and diversify. And number five is active bonus, so you get rewarded for being active for consecutive days. So I will leave the link in the description below, and then you'll register. And when you register, make sure you use my code at Ingosi so that you can get 100% of your deposit. And lastly, please note that trading is not guaranteed to make money. It's always a financial risk. So don't get into trading saying, oh, I will make money. It's a risk. Sometimes you win, sometimes you gain, sometimes you lose. But it's a nispende be 31st year when the Kalunyat. The Bonin Lebe
Yabona
Happy New Year, everybody! Now the secret is boom. The secret is boom.
Choke.
You want 12 straight?
No!
Happy! Happy on the stream.
Oh, I will be itchy.
I will.
No, I'm not a watch, man. I'm going to go watch. I'm not 12. Ucela uzondlamisa khawulunyaka. Like ngathi okay nami ngicela uyadlala uzizwe ikhona ne. Phela mna senihwethe ba. Yiza ngo 11:58 go.
So nama kanje ulinde u12 bambe ifoni uthi
Azulizwe
Ngide ixesha lami.
Ngili kanje
Kodwa 5 4 sayi.
Naniphi?
Okay.
Now I'm just asking, I want to know where was everyone with 31st.
Nalebe Cape Town kodwa.
Yeah.
Somewhere
Maninga beach.
Oh man ale.
Yeah.
Two ya macheri they chela.
Wow, uzira ke. Machira i2. Akhala ngayo bacela ufota naye bonke eqala. Babuya bayi2. Hi Lord, sizunjani into bahlala becanga kwakhe. Kubuka usemhethe mana. Ngokubalaka akazaba ngamsombi uzisi.
Abo sabazo ubambe kanje.
Ubani kubabambe kanje bayi2 kabathi
I look like that.
Ewe.
my boy.
So call umnye umfuna xa wancila kakhulu and lapha mina kuyaleka lewe Sean will tell us disconnect. Cause you like posting, bro.
I'm fit. I have to like make sure much time me up. Oh,
Nigga is lying.
Hlala njani kuphole.
Iyaleka.
some go red and shout.
Kubela nini?
Guys, kushone besilegisa. You know why? Because uyaposta.
Phone yakhe
Yadura. Ifuna kakhulu Wi-Fi.
iPhone 17, about 16.
17,
16 le.
17 there.
17 day.
Yeah. Ayi shithuthi.
Where were you
Bangana
when
bangana
the 31st?
The 31st, you know, been said Timba. I asked him, now I asked him.
Blue House.
A blue house.
Blue house.
I don't know what of it.
Fuck friend.
Yeah.
Indeed.
But since I'm not.
Big mom and Lupus was performing, so being a support like it.
Shout out to
One nami
Bays.
is on 12.
I look like Ben Jordan last song, so I was going to listen.
Bujola.
Ulakanolo.
Iyekile.
Yeah.
Tell her. But they have it like they didn't love it, so I was like having fun. And then Karen go to can the Ambing 8 cause phana uvala vala ngo-8 o'clock
Mambe 8 ekuseni.
Mambe xa kuvalwa.
Reduce i-hora.
Ngicile nami lexa transport yami fela bithe hamba xa kuvalwa so apha ndidiphelele nale emotweni
Now wama ngo-8 ekuseni.
Xa kuvalwa.
Ora dog.
Nah, but I get you, but I don't need ba uncamise ngo-12 because nami akangincamiseni ngola 12.
Busenzani ngo-12?
Bensendleleni. Going to any show.
Niyaphithizela. Ephethe yakho busendleleni. I-31st ngeChristmas busendleleni like uphila nini? Sithi man.
Njani maniphila nini?
henza sozojola
Uyajola wena?
zizi
Wena buphi izirekela lokho?
Yabo le boy yabo nofunini.
Beniphi?
Bisifika lapho sinqanqawini around.
Labe round. Sihamba nje indawo esingazaziyo nathi sibhathi sikhona.
Bi-idea abantu bayani ba?
Bi-idea like mina sinandawo. And so bethu 12 sicinga ngo10 bas like siya upstairs ngoyindlini ngo yeah. Siqhoma kuyazi ntoni? Let's just go. Savela sahamba sabona
Siyathatha umsiyani lo. Siyalo.
umsiyana
Wow, umsiyana. Wena?
Family gathering.
Bulando.
We family gathering ngishele family yami nje.
Bani family la?
Sathandaza. Njani bangibani family yami wena?
hayi
No! Iquka bani?
like family mother father
Mama
family
tata like ifamily yaziyo. Bese nabantu beliphi fakho. Beliphi.
I don't know your
That's
last
all.
word.
okay let family yaziyo wena family yaziyo
Akho family yaziyo yami fakho. Behlele family yami. Behlele family yami. Family gathering sathandaza saqala unyaka kahle. Njengoba ba right.
Story time zami ndenze ndoni. Yo, how was imoni?
size 7
Yo!
Mondi was too late
It was too late.
Weske mina ke bengiqala nayo kule macala bengiqala ngqa kuyo kule macala
Uxokela ndoni?
bengiqala uMondi
Why? No, but uyeqala
ngaya bana
Wadibana no-Alutha phandle.
ngemini eyi1 like nima nane 2 hours isidlula sizikapa
Serious? I always told him that, like,
oh isahlala phasa sidlula sizikapa
so niyothini
singena siyothenga utshwala
ekoneni kodwa niyadlula lezikhafu.
simamela siyama ngandoni siyama ngebhaki pha thina abantu bahleli ibhek sifuna uthenga utshwala sifuna uthenga utshwala sayothenga utshwala pha basithi nasi ntokozanihle ngokolisi wala mina namhlanje ekamini we exchange details.
Okay, I won't lie. One thing I don't like, man, the way calling Sean. Sean post the cherry
Picture
uthi ngu-size 7.
Kage ngipositere.
Today picture
Kage ngipositere.
Sean, I don't like what you did, man.
okay says bani
Size bani.
Yo great kali man. Nyawo liga na lengalo.
Oh, yala.
Ay, marke.
I'm a bitches out.
No, ikala nguwe.
Be honest. Enkalbo nyawo liga.
Okay, man. Daniki i-scenario. Xa uyothenga iphutshi, umzekelo ezami izilight. Sibhale size 8.
Babane.
Sibhale size 8.
Okay, but babane.
Size 5 size 6.
Abakuma. I had to say the time with you.
Okay, John.
Nana yimi.
Ngilala machithi wrong.
Unfortunately.
Thomas bengahamba ngabele.
Story time.
Izithele bike qobelele kwezihlako.
Okay, unyanisile ne. Okay, unyanisile pitches ne. But my man, I'm saying uzova na kuchet ne. When you buying a sandal, we fit apart. That's why you cannot buy a sandal online. Have you ever done it? No one is buying sandals or can you push online? Because you have to go there physical loose fetish. It could be written size 10 as a hard, but I know size 10. 5. 5.
Chat ngibala size funa nje like from afar. From afar ngibala size.
Yaqoka manje. Yaqoka manje. Size 7 lo.
Okay, can nibonisa close range lo mntana.
Sifike njani uthenga online. Ngifuna mina uya phakula picture post Facebook. Ngoba nalewe
Abe.
leya ipost Facebook yayesimba
Imanje ikhule ezahlawu uma ushona wayesposting.
kanga post
Ushona uqalela wena.
Woshela la wena size 7.
nasi ngibona la ivideo
Sathi kwesakhe.
Ngilinyoka lomntana. Ngilinyoka.
Buhaya bhaya.
Man.
Ufuna close range.
Nali inyawo lomntana.
Sikhulu mne ayibo.
Konya.
Opendese akahambi yangisho lomntana. Yangisho lomntana.
Yeah. Hey.
Phumkon inyawo lexhwele emoneni.
yena kwatha plus
Funtunga mfunini.
ekugqibeleni
Isandla jogging.
Picture.
ekugqibeleni plus umntana omuntu lo fika ngasibe ngadebo
Inyawo.
inyawo lesikangalo not yena sis ugrand yena
Benese.
Iyanothuka.
Benese kangaka. Hayi. Sabe sakazingeni kuwe. Usafaka.
Okay.
Ufaka ekhamba ukuthi hlawuza lomntana.
ngathi kuya out
Ngoba nabo kwethinto lenzayo.
bo waya
Ukuthi hlawuza lomntana.
Excel check. Ngicela ukubuza ne. Am I lying kanti these sandals like zinjalo?
Sinenyawo.
What is the argument here?
like wena uya shopping so uzamncela ba
Okay ne.
like nje like a gift
That's why I'm saying these sandals you cannot buy them engekho umnikazi. Bro, okay, let me see yours.
ngiyazibona
Ayezihlambu. Top tier.
angala
Akhona irogo
Physical.
ngakudala ngiyenza nasemonti
Ufuna isize mina. Ngifuna previtorium.
ngazithenga mesho zintswemu.
Namfe.
Ngazithenga
Ayikho
izihlangu. Ayikho abantu.
Nazo theke zibeke
Hayi,
Yena sifike njani
Ngakushona indlela siqhube ngalo. Isibhakabhaka
Yabo, you can buy sandals online. The size yakho then we move. Eyami u8 nansi.
Eh. Yina precisa.
Bathi zayibona le ngozi.
Bethu. Asiko
Ayima. Ngiyashila kushona ngesidima.
Kamera senza.
Yasikhaba ushona.
my bitches. Ay.
Ayizala mbona studio kakhe. Studio uyasikhwisha ushona manje idambu serious.
Amanzi.
I'm correct.
That's fine.
Guys 43.
Ay. Okay,
so,
this is pretty
okay,
nyani.
so, yeah.
Kanibona shwani isabona.
Izashona. Hayi mashona man. Okay, Tedinyani bakwenzele special lesi. Bakwenzele bazihlambu.
Nah, bro, like
Ignition point.
like unqobo says
Trailer sihlangu ngosi. Angazi
43.
No, I feel like yabo 43 ukhona enyameni.
I won't lie, I'm off the view but grand. Ngoba abantu bangataphi cheese down.
Someone zakho bitches.
7.
Veze zakhe. Bakaveze zakhe. Veze bitches. Tolwanda.
Ngibuzele bafuzisi.
This is nice.
Buza yamnulu kwa grade man.
Ozezi ya. Ozezi ya.
Ukrekali.
Pamela.
Ozezi ya ezinde.
43 thousand then.
Ngiyangikutenga.
Uzezi ngubunani ngubuthe.
Ale ngimgeneral ngikugunya la.
I descending order.
Kitheni ngophatha ngomako.
Umdala ngibisa
Dindo wona la ngibu 7. Hayi bo, come on.
Ngibu5 umjita nje.
Hayi lo. Special case. Wena ba u10 and the house.
It is a special case, because
So I'm bringing 500, that's the chair.
I guess I bro.
Ngafethu la yama sifafika ngoba like all edwa ngumufaka. Awungibala all edwa yakho nayo.
Yakho naye iyamfaka condition yangenza yena. So how was Imondi Pras?
Okay, smaller but day 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sizokwazi ngokwala from day 1. Kabusi trackers atsozi bazindawo. You know, I don't like Lake Siam. I like from here.
Yeah, boy, I'm favorite day 2.
What's again was this morning? I'm all
Hopefully it will stay like that.
Yeah.
But you say like the Pelagano, like I call Okay, you can also.
Yeah, off camera because
And then second question, are you expecting anything?
I'm expecting.
What the fuck ass? I'm what the fuck ass?
Firstly, you are definitely. But like not in a bad way. Like some of your friends are like gonna hit you up like, oh I saw you, blah blah blah, you know?
Okay. No, I just want to have fun.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to have fun. I want the conversations to be flowing.
Yeah.
You get? Yeah.
Everything should be like just feel natural.
Natural, please.
Not feel forced.
Yes, please.
Count on that.
Not stage.
Yeah, you may have to go to electricity before you
Okay, shout out. I get about videos are waiting on the stream.
But Umbali is hot.
Me, I know.
Nah, yeah, boo.
We shouldn't at 9:50, so pull up. Shout out to Mia and Mia Mali. Let's go. The sunset is great, bro.
Kyo ngeni ora ho. Ngeni ora yaleka ke.
Phone yakhe iyadura.
Also, when you
Boom man.
Iyaleka nenyanjo.
Short go.
Short buma short.
Yeah, I'm on the pool.
Sifoni yakho itheni?
Phone yakhe lenza.
Connection iyayibucuza.
Yeah.
Phumile bro.
Wena kanjani?
Right.
Nokase kwazi usebenza Wi-Fi.
no, you can't subscribe. You can't use the video on your feed, don't you?
Ayiva guys.
Yo, joke.
Chocho kabuya pa.
Era bom me pija desse game, né? Era bom ter me pija no game desse game.
Joga de.
Sugapi.
Nansuka phaa nanipole phaa ndedwa.
Why?
Why emphasize ba wedwa?
Why do you
Ndandisipotithi ndedwa njena. Ndandisipoile ndedwa.
Okay.
Nigga emphasizing ba behleli
Yeah,
hedwa.
sure wagqibela.
Ikhona ividiyo sayifind akho jonga buhleli nabantu.
Oh, now nansi.
Ne?
Telemilitary.
Uyalegisa la.
Choka bekude kanje. Teacher Anita.
Umsekelo wa dress outfit.
Different pants.
Same outfit. Tuleje ke.
Okay, kube kanje.
So uthathe lo nto wena.
Uba
So wena.
I am tripped out. Hayibo. Okay, let's do a story time. How was Imondi? So qala from Orlando.
For what kancinci libele indawo.
Hey.
Well,
This is my job, man. Mondi bra.
Mondi suka.
Deka pha kuwe man.
let's just appreciate women.
Yabona view enhlele kuyo. Ayithanda la view enhlele.
Ngicela ukubuza
Awuthanda.
Okay, it's fine. Ngizabuza ku story time ngikubalisa.
Nah, boss.
Kubuye lapha kwaso skill.
Sean, I'm nervous.
Nginyusa la we.
Hey.
Lisekiwe.
W sub.
MVE_RGN just resubbed for 4 months.
Lisekiwe.
This is my job, man.
Shout out, man.
Man. Okay.
Ngingabe newari because akiyangistressa le.
Okay, boss.
Kwenzeka nokuwe no Juliet.
Nothing.
Like iphele njani?
Phela njani? Intoni?
Oh.
Intoni because akhona yenzekileyo. Sasihleli sonke nje bayana.
Inqabe Juliet uyanitext ama please unblock her.
Ngimblokela noni na? Hayi bakhe niblock serious. Ditheni kuwe Sean?
Una evidence usho.
Ditheni kuwe? Yiza ifoni yami icimile.
Sean.
Serious man, aniblockanga la mna so ndiyenza.
Ayikho lapha kulena.
Hayi ikho.
Iko yakho.
Ip. Eyam.
Le ndawo ifunayo inkosi streams.
Yo 5 sub. Hayi shout out.
Hambo. Cela ukuthi kulisebona unblocker man card. Yima. Sayenza ntoni nalona? Serious.
Fonini white aphikisa uthi wena uthe wena khange nimblock wathi wena he did wathi yena he did umblockela ndomna nabantu uthetha
kwambuzo man kandi block umuntu mani mina
wena uyinja
samblockela ntoni
Very papa la. Hayi lebe Sulemoni.
Yo sindile.
le
ukangana bani
Nkosi streams
imani boa
Nkosi streams
yasimoni yapha.
Bavilanga.
Ivele
Nkosi streams trust me ikhona Nkosi streams la
asikho serious
ikhona
Ayi balcony.
Oh ikhona
ifoni yami
intoni nakho ndikhoyo bafaka serious shut up for the sub
MVE_RGN has gifted 2 subs to viewers.
Shout out.
Ngabulisa
Uzizwa benithumele enye we yabo. Explainer nge
ayikho serious Sean
What?
into qaluka ngalathi
Siyale sifuna athi.
into leyo ngo
yo ingxaki ezinazo vele yathi ndimi
khani
Joyce nazo
Athi lapha yebo.
ayikho
hayi
Naka.
intoni lapha
Naka.
intoni lapha
Naka.
intoni lapha
Naka.
intoni lapha
Uhleli phi?
Uhleli Juliet
Why?
Ayibo
Wa?
Juliet
Yo nguye lusabha.
Juliet Obeka 16 has gifted 1 subs to viewers.
W Juliet
Ngalo Juliet.
Juliet blogger mina ba.
Juliet it can block nje yami
so ndiyenze lona
Yeah, I don't think.
Uyisaphi nale video?
hayi incwadi
La. I don't think umblockile man.
yenza lo
So
Nami menifati mina.
So overall, I want us to rate Monty bekunjani and then the next series soyenza. Nini ngoMarch, beginning of March. But abantu abasebenzayo banibhora.
Aseze Easter man.
Uyafunda, uyasebenza, uyafunda. Team leader who's versatile but
Base
now.
no base ngaya.
No base awahamba di.
what about me man you know me I'm versatile
Okay.
Uyathatha leave. Ubhele yasipakana naye.
ngasibhala ubhele
Khani mfuni.
drop that shit man
Okay, Job. Imondi kum was nice.
Out of 10.
I'm not
Out
gonna
of
lie.
10.
Like
He
it love
didn't block me yabona ngose Juliet he didn't block me
why would I do that?
okay
Imanifona ubhele.
okay masifona ubhele qala
Then acho ubhele ba versatile na and then we can move.
Versatile.
Versatile.
Manzi.
Akaba versatile ubhele.
Versatile.
Khumula wasibhuke pa wahamba.
Versatile nobhele.
versatile no bhele because I have a conversation
Versatile.
Okay.
Can you versatile?
Let's call it.
Like
Siyafumaneka.
nanini na ngifuna.